Hello everyone, my name is Dina Kocher from MBA Semester 2. Today, for the subject Operations Management, I have taken a very important topic which is of logistics. Before moving ahead, I would like you to see this video.
Since the dawn of time, mankind has needed to transport items from one location to another. As we evolved, we got better and better at getting things where they needed to go. Better use of equipment and resources meant we could get more items to more locations with less effort. And advancements in technology allowed us to get our items where they were going much, much faster. Today, Delmar is at the forefront of cargo transport technology, and one thing is certain, whatever new innovations arrive in the future, they will arrive first at Delmar. Delmar, the evolution of logistics.
With this video, I hope you have understood what we are going to discuss in the coming slides. Before that, I would like to tell you what does logistics means. Logistics is the process of planning and executing the efficient transportation and storage of goods from the point of origin to the point of consumption, that is, to the end users. The goal of the logistics is to meet the requirements of customers on time and in a cost efficient manner. Below you can see a diagram whereby there are three factors which combines logistics. The first is supply of raw materials, second is materials management in a factory, third is distribution to customers. Firstly, we will get the raw materials from the suppliers into our factories, then we'll try to make a product out of it, then we'll distribute it to the customers. The mission of logistics is very simple. It means getting the right goods or services at the right place, at the right time, and in the desired condition, at the possible lowest cost and the highest return. Now we'll discuss the functions of logistics. Here the first one is order processing. It is an important task in functions of logistics operation. The purchase order placed by a buyer to a supplier is an important legal document of the transactions between the two parties. Next we have is the inventory control. It means inventory management is to keep enough inventories to meet customer requirements and simultaneously its carrying cost should be lowest. Next we have is warehousing. It is the storing of finished goods until they are sold. It plays a vital role of logistics operations of a firm. The effectiveness of an organization's marketing depends on the appropriate decision on warehousing. Then we have is transportation. For movement of goods from the supplier to the buyer, transportation is the most fundamental and important component of logistics. When an order is placed, the transaction is not completed till the goods are physically moved to the customer's place. The physical movement of goods is through various transportation modes. Next, we have is significance of logistics, like why logistics is important. Firstly, the costs are higher. As you all know, the cost of producing any product is higher, so logistics plays a very vital role in reducing that cost. Nextly, we have is to meet the customer's demand in time. Then we have it is an integral part of company strategy, like it helps in generating the revenue and improve the profit. Next we have is logistical lines are lengthening. Then we have is logistics is a key to trade and increase standard of living. Then we have is logistics adds value, like the product is delivered on time at the right place. Now we'll have the look at what does logistic operations means. It is basically a process of moving the goods from one place, that is from the manufacturing unit, to the place where its consumption is meant to be through various means like road, rail, sea, air, etc., involving minimum transit time and at the lowest cost possible. So at the end, we'll discuss 5 tips for operating logistics more effectively. Here, the first one is take the time to make a solid plan. Obviously, a plan is important. Then we have is always have a contingency plan. Like if the first plan doesn't work, you should have a contingency that is a second plan. Then hire a logistics manager with strong interpersonal skills. Logistics is not a easy task to be performed, so a manager with strong interpersonal skills is required. Then we have is automate your systems whenever you need. And at the end, learn from your mistakes. It's obvious, if you learn from your mistake, you will not be repeating it again. Thank you so much.